Okay, now we're at the prime mill, and what we want to do is we want to scan the QR code into the machine. And if you look at the screen here, we have a block selection and we have our burrs that we're going to be using. So to mill in super fast and in fast, we need to use these two burrs, the 2.5 and the 1.0. And if you have the incorrect burrs in, the machine will tell you to change them, so don't worry about it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the block selection. And there's a camera down here. We are going to scan the QR code in. And sometimes that takes a little bit up. That was really fast. Excellent. And it's going to position everything. Now, sometimes the scanning might not work. So let's go back and let's just show you how we can enter it manually. So on the bottom of the screen, you're going to see skip scanning. We're going to do skip scanning. And we're going to select our manufacturer, which is going to be Kurari Noritake. Select that one. And we're doing a KATANA Zirconia One block. So we're going to select that right there. And it's a crown block. It's going to ask us for the shade. We're doing a B1. And now it wants us to enter the enlargement factor. If you look really carefully at the bottom of this QR code is a 7-digit series of letters and numbers. We're going to enter that in. Here it says Z22509A and hit OK. And it's going to position it's going to allow us to position the block inside the chuck. So when you place it in, make sure you rotate until you feel it drop, and you're going to torque it to tighten. You're going to torque until you hear a click, and I always do one extra just in case. Close the door. And here's the touch process that we talked about before. We're going to say OK. And once again, the touch process, we want to start this before we design our crown, just to save time. It's going to measure the block because we just told it it's going to be a Zirconia One block. It's going to measure it and make sure that we actually put in the correct block. Okay, once that's done, it takes about a minute, we can start the milling.